Hello, everyone. Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to easily create designs without needing a professional designer. We'll use a tool called Canva, which lets you make stunning designs with just a few clicks. If you run into complex designs that you can't manage on your own, that's when you might need a designer's help. But for now, I'll show you how to create designs easily using Canva. Let's get started. After opening Canva, we'll search for a custom dimensions design template, and we'll need to enter the correct dimensions. As you can see here, for t-shirt designs, we usually use the size 9.27 x 9.27 inches. Since I'm not a professional designer, I'll put in a bit of extra effort to make it work. For this tutorial, I've selected this design as our base artwork. This is where we'll start designing. Our main design concept is, I do what I want. Now, let's head to the text section. Canva has lots of formatting options to choose from. You can use a pre-made style or just type your own headline. Here, I'll start typing, I do what I want. There are many fonts and formats available here. Choose whatever fits your design style. I'll pick one I like the look of and go with that. Let's duplicate the page to create a backup version. After selecting the text, I'll duplicate it again and align it properly on the canvas. We want everything centered and balanced, especially for printing purposes. Now let's search for icons. From the Elements section, we can find tons of icon sets. Some of them may require a pro upgrade, but let's try to find free options first. For this example, we're focusing on a pug-themed design. So let's see if there are any suitable pug graphics. Most of the available ones are pet-related, which is great. Let's see what we can find. Maybe there's something good. Let's try searching for angry pug, for example. Actually, we're not finding exactly what we expected. I'm trying to find out if any related icons are available, or if any good ones stand out. If you want more professional options, you can head over to Shutterstock. For example, you might find high-quality pug vector graphics there. For those using Adobe Illustrator, vector files like SVGs or EPS are super useful. There are also lots of free resources where you can find these files if you want more control over your design. Some might be marked as premium, but you can still find good ones for free. You'll need to sign up or log in to download some of the resources. Let's see if we can do something with this. Let's try uploading an image now. Even a simple one would work just fine. For example, I've uploaded an image related to the gym. This is just for demo purposes. I'm not a designer, just showing you how easy it is to get started. The idea behind this design is simple. It shows a pug doing its own thing. Sleeping, rolling over, getting mad, loving, whatever. That's the vibe we're going for with I do what I want. It's a simple, fun design. Again, I'm not a pro designer, but I'm showing you that anyone can do this. Just upload your image, icon, or PNG, then add some text and play with fonts. That's it. If you overthink it or worry too much, you'll get stuck. Just start experimenting. Well, actually, I didn't really like this. The point is, I'm not a designer. I just showed you how you can work with it. Here, you can upload an image, icon, or PNG file and design something nice with text and fonts. Let me show you a little more with the grip and the PNG image. Actually, the concept is a bit different here, like this one. If I want to reuse the previous image, how would that look? Let's take a look. If you use this, make sure to check if the image has any copyright or if you have permission to use it. Otherwise, if the original designer makes a claim, it could cause problems. It might not happen, but it definitely could. This is a PNG file. We need to check the size because if it's too small, it'll break and look pixelated. Look, here's a cat image I found. We can crop and adjust it too. Let's see how it looks when we upload our cassette. Not bad, it gives off a cool Japanese vibe. If you're doing this for work, you can design it like this. I just do what I want, so my design is pretty much done. I finished this design quickly on a Saturday, and now I'll download it. When you come to download it, the goal is to remove the background. The white background won't work if you want to upload this to your t-shirt. To fully remove it, you'll need to upgrade your account. But we're not doing that right now. We have an issue mainly because of the background. But there's a site called remove.bg. Upload your image there, and it will automatically remove the background. Once that's done, your design will appear nice and clean on a transparent background. Click Download. The file will be downloaded as a PNG.